Hi, my name is Valerie Stanley. I just want to say God has been so good to me. This is 10 years, October, for me to be cancer-free. I found out at my first mammogram, so ladies, it is very important to have your mammogram done. I went in for one reason, because things shifted at the age of 40. That's when I found out. But then God allowed me to find out about the cancer. So, and I had lumpectomy in my left breast, and I had to do 6 weeks of radiation for 5 days. And the most important thing is to keep your faith. Stay positive, stay around people that are positive. Fill your spirit and your mind with the word of God and his praise, and don't change anything that you're doing in life but to better yourself. So I know when you hear the word cancer, you hear death. That's the first thing the enemy put in your mind, but no, that's life, because God allowed you to find out at whatever stage it was, that he allowed you to find out, because that is a silent killer. So you have to give God praise and honor that he allowed you to find out, and that is for you to be in better health. May God bless you.